Okay. I'm in Edwin Sogwari, the OCPD Railways Nakuru. Today at around 9:30 am, I received information from KRC Nakuru that a group of 50 people who invaded the railway's plots near the flyover. Now, when we responded, I found that the gates have been broken into and the place is being earmarked for bus stage. But I think it is total unlawlessness because we need to follow the law. We rushed to ensure that the law is maintained and restored. Ours is to maintain public security and to ensure that everybody is safe. Because by the time they were invading, there were people inside. This place has been leased by Mombasa Millers Limited, and the employees, trucks and lorries. As we talk now, the property which have been destroyed, and we know or we don't know who has sent these youths to break the gates and to mark the places for bus stage, because I believe there's a protocol. They would have applied to the Kenya Railways Corporation. They would have been given documentations. In short, they were supposed to follow the procedures which are required when you want to acquire a plot. But you cannot just invade. You cannot just grab a government parcel of land, destroying things and harassing people inside without following the due procedure.